Hi guys, welcome to the homework channel. We have started a new subject called the new to start. For more information, subscribe to our channel. Our skill set is also being in a lockdown for the past 1 month. Let us all just extend our skill set in this lockdown. Here I have listed some of the coolest, easy and free platforms to work out your creativity. Let's jump in. First we have the Google Sites. It is a free source website creation tool, just like the Google Docs and the spreadsheet. It can be customized anytime and be published. Google gives you a variety of templates and customizing tools to have your own favorite website. And the main part is the hosting is completely free and you can customize your website link also. Done for the website. How about making it another platform? That is the Android, by the way, of the MIT App Inventor. You can change your website into a custom Android application in simple steps. The flexible tool layout gives you the access to change the UI of your screen, and the block coding is the easiest way to learn coding from the scratch. Thrill your friends. And do you need a refreshed user interface for your app or your site? Use Figma. A free source UI creation tool can be used to draft the graphical elements in a quicker manner. Once the design is complete, export it both the way, as a code or as an asset image. Refine the settings to have a high pixel assets. Powtoon is a semi-free source animated slideshow platform used to create attractive videos and site plays. The predefined template has a variety of options to customize. You can also change the character in the slides and the animation effects also. Note that it is a semi-free platform, but don't worry, we have the PowerPoint to take up on. Skilled up in the graphical field, it is a time to work with the coding. The CodePen is the right platform to start with. It has the online code editors for the web development and so on. You can learn how to build a website with coding and publish in real time. It is also a great portfolio for the programmers to represent their works. What are you waiting for? Let's start coding. After all these things, do you feel like that you are stuck in the software part itself? Let's switch to the hardware. Circuito brings you the free handy tool to work with the electronics. The component library is updated often and you can find anything you want to build. Just drag and drop the necessary things and the Circuito will build the whole system for you. And the best part is the code is also available to be compiled in the real time. Not so much interest in the electronics, then head on to the Sketchup. It is a 3-dimensional modeling platform. It is completely free and user-friendly. It has a variety of applications starting from the rapid design, architecture design to the game development. The surroundings in the games like the PUBG and the COD are modeled using the Sketchup. Get skilled up and enhance your skill set for the future demands. Brainley is a platform for interrogation. You can ask or solve the doubts posted by your fellows. You can ask the doubts based on the fields mentioned in the website. Don't feel so lonely when you have troublesome. Note that the technologies spoken are in the list of top tech trends of 2020. So let us all just gear up to make the best ones. And also, for the creation of the tutorial videos regarding these technologies, comment below. Catch you later.